Meet FSM360.ai, field service management built to connect the entire service journey from the first customer request to dispatch, technician execution, billing, and follow-up. Here's how HomeGuard Repairs handles a refrigerator service request from start to finish. Rachel starts on HomeGuard Repairs website, entering the issue, service address, preferred date and time. Once she submits the request, the service team gets everything they need directly in the platform. She immediately gets a confirmation with a request number and a clear view of what happens next. The same request is now ready for the service team to review and schedule. Inside FSM360.ai, the new request appears instantly in the request forms queue, with Rachel's details, the refrigerator issue, and location already captured. The dispatcher opens the request to review the full customer and service context. From here, the request can be converted into a job with a single action. While creating the job, the dispatcher sets the service type, priority, schedule, description, and the activities the technician is expected to complete, with estimated time for each task. Once created, the job is linked directly to the original request and scheduled for the customer's preferred time. We can also see that Tom Wilson is the technician assigned to the job by the co-pilot. Co-pilot recommends optimal technician based on skills, location, and availability. The automated assignment of the technician can be monitored by the dispatcher, and the dispatcher can assign a different technician manually as well, if required, and then approve the job assignment, keeping the process truly human in the loop. As soon as the assignment is confirmed, Rachel receives a branded email with her appointment, technician, service address, and job details, so she always knows what to expect. At the same time, the job appears in the technician's mobile app. Tom can open it to see the schedule, service request, customer details, location, and everything required before accepting the job. When Tom is on the way, Rachel gets an SMS with his name, the appointment time, an ETA, and a live tracking link, keeping her informed without needing to call the office. From the mobile app, Tom can navigate to the customer and work through the job, activity by activity. Each task can be timed, marked billable where needed, and supported with attachments from the field. When the work is complete, Tom adds closure notes, captures the customer's signature and adds his own signature, and submits the job. The invoice can be generated automatically as part of the same closeout. FSM360.ai passes the completed job into billing, producing the customer invoice with the charges, amount due, and payment option, without another manual handoff. Rachel then receives a completion email confirming the resolved issue, technician, invoice, and service details, with direct access to the invoice and a simple way to leave feedback. From request to dispatch, field execution, customer communication, and revenue. FSM360.ai keeps the entire service lifecycle connected. Smarter field service starts here. Start your free trial or book a demo today.